Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to check the online internet speed of a lease line. Now this is actually a fairly simple task. It used to be pretty hard. You used to have to go into command prompt and ping your gateway server and see how fast your connection speed to the gateway server is and all of that. But nowadays with online tools, you don't have to do any of it. It's all automated. So my favorite website is Speedtestnet, but you could go to speakeasy.speedtest.com and it's pretty much the same thing. I just like Speedtestnet because it's a little more automatic and it's aesthetically a little more pleasing. So as you can see here, I've already put the Speedtestnet URL on my browser, and what shows up is a little flash program that shows your location and a big button that just says begin test. That's part of the reason why I like it, because it's just a very easy thing to use. So you go ahead and press begin test and it'll start measuring your network speed. You might want to do this 2 or 3 more times to get the average network speed, just to rule out any network anomalies and such. For instance, as you can see, my internet ping rate is actually pretty fast, and it's showing you my internet rate right now in what looks to be a car dashboard speedometer aesthetic. I'm Omar, and I just showed you how to check the internet speed of your lease line. Have a good day.